Today you will discover a realistic step-by-step system for traveling almost free worldwide. This journey shows how smart planning replaces expensive habits and unnecessary travel costs. You will learn practical strategies that make long-term travel affordable and sustainable. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart travel strategies and global adventure tips. 10. Changing the travel mindset. Travel becomes cheaper when you stop thinking like a typical tourist completely. Luxury habits and last-minute bookings increase travel costs dramatically over time. Smart travelers focus on flexibility, creativity, patience, and long-term planning strategies. Seeing travel as a lifestyle instead of a vacation changes spending decisions greatly. Patience allows you to wait for deals and travel opportunities to appear. Flexibility in travel dates opens access to cheaper flights and accommodation options. Long-term thinking transforms expensive trips into affordable adventures gradually. Budget travel begins with mindset before any booking decisions even happen. This mental shift creates the foundation for traveling the world affordably. Changing mindset is the first real step toward nearly free travel experiences. 9. Finding cheap flights consistently. Flights are often the biggest travel expense for most travelers worldwide. Price alerts help track fare drops and special airline promotions daily. Flexible destinations allow travelers to follow the cheapest routes available. Flying during midweek days often costs less than busy weekend travel. Using multiple flight search platforms reveals hidden deals and cheaper options. Booking months early or very late reduces flight prices significantly. Traveling light avoids extra baggage fees and airport costs completely. Budget airlines provide affordable routes for short regional journeys. Combining strategies makes flights surprisingly affordable over time. Cheap flights unlock the possibility of frequent global travel. 8. Using travel reward programs. Reward programs transform everyday spending into future travel opportunities. Credit card points can be exchanged for flights and hotel stays. Loyalty programs reward frequent travelers with upgrades and discounts. Earning points through daily purchases accelerates travel savings quickly. Sign-up bonuses often provide large travel rewards very early. Redeeming points wisely maximizes value and reduces travel expenses greatly. Tracking reward balances ensures opportunities are never wasted. Reward travel can cover flights, hotels, and transportation costs. Consistent use of rewards creates a powerful travel advantage. Points systems make global exploration far more affordable. 7. Choosing affordable accommodation. Accommodation costs drop dramatically with smart alternative lodging choices. Hostels provide affordable stays and opportunities to meet other travelers. House sitting allows free accommodation in exchange for simple pet care. Home exchanges let travelers swap homes instead of paying expensive hotels. Budget guest houses offer comfort at lower prices than luxury hotels. Long-term stays often provide discounted weekly or monthly rates. Booking outside busy city centers reduces accommodation costs significantly. Sleeping on overnight transport saves both money and travel time. Creative lodging options make travel affordable and flexible. Accommodation savings create room for longer journeys worldwide. 6. Working while traveling. Remote work makes long-term travel financially sustainable and realistic. Freelancing allows travelers to earn income from anywhere globally. Teaching languages online provides consistent income during travel journeys. Seasonal jobs help fund longer trips across multiple countries. Travel blogging and content creation can generate income gradually. Working part-time supports slow and sustainable travel lifestyles. Earning while traveling reduces financial pressure significantly. Income streams create stability during long journeys abroad. Work and travel can exist together successfully and efficiently. Financial freedom makes long-term exploration possible. 5. Traveling slowly and strategically. Slow travel reduces transportation and accommodation costs dramatically. Staying longer in one destination lowers daily expenses naturally. Monthly rentals are cheaper than short hotel stays consistently. Slow travel allows deeper cultural experiences and stronger connections. Less movement reduces stress and planning complexity significantly. Travelers discover hidden places rarely visited by typical tourists. Daily life becomes more affordable when routines develop abroad. Long stays create stronger friendships and local familiarity. Slow travel transforms short vacations into global lifestyles. This approach makes long-term travel financially realistic. 4. Eating and living like locals. Local markets provide fresh meals at much lower prices daily. Street food offers authentic flavors and affordable dining options. Cooking simple meals reduces daily food expenses dramatically. Avoiding tourist restaurants saves money and improves cultural experience. Public transport costs far less than taxis and private rides. Local habits often reveal the cheapest ways to explore cities. Daily expenses drop when travelers adapt to local lifestyles. Learning basic phrases improves communication and local interactions. Living like locals enhances travel authenticity and affordability. This strategy saves money while enriching cultural understanding. 3. Using free experiences worldwide. Many destinations offer free attractions and cultural experiences daily. Walking tours provide history stories and local insights freely. Public parks, beaches, and markets offer memorable experiences daily. Free museums and public events happen regularly in many cities. Nature destinations often cost little or nothing to explore. City festivals create unforgettable experiences without high expenses. Research helps discover hidden free opportunities in every location. Photography and exploration become rewarding low-cost activities. Free experiences often become the most memorable travel moments. Adventure does not always require expensive tickets or tours. 2. Building smart travel habits. Tracking expenses helps identify spending patterns during travel journeys. Budget planning ensures financial stability across long trips. Avoiding impulse purchases protects long-term travel funds. Learning from each trip improves planning and saving skills. Packing efficiently prevents unnecessary purchases abroad later. Maintaining emergency savings creates safety and confidence. Small daily savings accumulate into major travel opportunities. Discipline and awareness support sustainable long-term exploration. Strong habits make global travel affordable and achievable. Consistent planning ensures travel remains financially stress-free. 1. Turning travel into lifestyle. Travel becomes easier when integrated into long-term life plans. Prioritizing experiences over possessions frees financial resources greatly. Minimalist living supports mobility and reduces expenses significantly. Long-term planning turns dreams into achievable goals gradually. Travelers gain confidence through experience and smart decisions. Affordable travel becomes normal instead of rare luxury. The world becomes accessible through planning and creativity. Long-term travel becomes realistic for dedicated explorers. This lifestyle rewards curiosity, courage, and smart budgeting. Traveling the world almost free becomes a real possibility. Now you know the complete system for traveling the world almost free. Share this video with someone who dreams about global adventures. Subscribe and comment your dream destination below today. Start planning your affordable journey and explore confidently. Your next adventure could begin sooner than you expect.